Hello, today we'll be doing some uh, comparing and ordering rational numbers. I'm just stuttering here just a little bit because these first ones here on top, it says these are challenge problems and they have negative numbers. So these ones here I'd like you to skip. Unless you're an E or a G kid in one of those accelerated classes and you want to try doing that, you can go ahead and do it. If you're going to do that, just remember that -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. When you compare negative numbers with positive numbers, if you just think about a number line, the farther you go over to the left, this way, the smaller the number gets. And the farther you go to the right, the larger. Okay? So that'll help you, that quick tutorial. There's plenty of work to do here on problems 3 through 7. Writing the following in rational numbers in order from greatest to least. So here we've got to reverse the order. So first thing I always do is just put down where I'm going to put my answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are going to be from least to greatest. So let's get them all into decimal form. There's nothing fancy or pretty about this, just some hard work. So 19 divided by 25 is 0.76. 0.76 is a decimal. 0.33 is already a decimal. 68%, well, think of 25%. It's 0.25, so this is 0.68. 14 20ths, put that in there. 14 divided by 20 should be 0.7. That's 0.7. And let's just throw a 0 on it so that it's a little bit easier to compare thinking about money. And 50%, we just did 68. That's 0.50 as well. So now we can just order them. Okay, I like to start off with the smallest one. 76 cents, 33 cents, 68, 50, 70, and 50. Well, 38 is the smallest, so that's 33%. Sorry, 33% is the smallest, so that's 0.33. Okay, cross that dude off. Next, I like to find the biggest. So it looks like 76 cents. So this one, 19/25. And cross that dude off. Get these two crossed off. Let's see. The next biggest one, 76, would be 70. So that's 14/20. Cross those dudes off. And then we have 68 cents, it looks like here. And now 68%. Cross those dudes off. And then the last one is 50%. Now, there's nothing fancy or difficult about that. I made them all into decimals, which by the end of this unit, you should be able to do that. Make them all into decimals and then put them in order. In this case, it was greatest to least. Most common wrong answer is least to greatest. These were greatest to least. So this is the largest right here. We'll do one more here, and I'll leave you two or three to do by yourself. These are in descending order. Descending order means they're getting big, or they're big and they get smaller. So this is greatest to least, descending. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's descending order. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just got to move my least over just a touch and the paper so that you can see. Okay, let's grab my pen here because this is going to be a little tighter. It looks like 5, 6. You can put that in the old calculator. It comes out to be 0.5 divided by 6 is 0.83, and the 3 repeats. I did the wrong problem. Sorry about that. 37.5%. Let's move that 2 places. We have 0.375. Okay, then 3/16. 3 divided by 16 equals 0.1875. 0.1875. 8 nines. Well, just like 4 nines is 0.44444444. 8 nines. Oh, I'm in the wrong problem again. Dang it. Sorry about that. 3/16. 0.1875. Sorry, I'm looking at two screens here. I'm looking at the one I'm recording on and the paper, so I need to get out of that. So here we already have a decimal. This one is 0.063, 0.063. 5/8, if we put that in, you get 0.625. And the other one is a decimal, 0.125. I wish I had a highlighter here. Maybe I do. I do. Let's just take a look at the money values of these. So we're looking at 12 cents, 62 cents, just 6 cents, 18 cents, and 37 cents. Most of the time, that's all you really need to look at. So which is the greatest of these? 37, 18, 6, 62 cents. So 5/8 is the greatest. So 5/8. Cross that 2 off. The next biggest one is not this one. I know you might think it's this one, but this is 0.06. That's like 6 cents. The next biggest one here is 37 cents, which is 37.5%. Or 37.5%. Get rid of that dude. Now we've got 18 cents, 6 cents, and 12 cents. 18 cents, which was 3/16. Get rid of that dude. And then we've got 12 cents and 6 cents. Well, 12 cents is next biggest. That was 0.125. And the last one is 0.063. 0.063 in descending order. There we go. All right, I'll leave the others to you. You've got one that's ascending order or ascending order. That's going to be getting larger. Okay, good luck.